A lot of people are asking me how to open a money market fund account. People come to my DMs asking how to open a money market fund account or which ones to open. Now, to be clear and transparent, I don't work with any of these money market funds account in terms of, like partnership. I'm just giving you what I think is the best. I'm giving you what I've used. I've used Zimele, I've used Etika, I've used, which one? NCBA, I've used CIC at some point, I've used before. I don't use it anymore. I also have Cyton. So I'm very open about the money market funds I use. I don't hide that fact. So let me show you how simple it is to open a money market fund. Let's take example of, let's say, Etika or Zimele, and I might even look at Cyton as well. I'm not going to go all the way because I have all the apps, so I can't be able to download again. So I'm just going to show you how simple it is to go and do it from the website. Come to your website, and I hope this will be clear. Don't look at the things I'm Googling here, the crazy stuff. Okay, so Etika Money Market Fund, I had already did a search on that because that's a very good one right now, giving very good returns as well. It's a good money market fund, in my opinion. I've used it. I'm using it now. But there are many. I'll show you a different one as well. You have to go with the objectives, okay? You have to go with the objectives. Remember. Don't just pick one because it's giving high returns. You have to make sure you can take the risks as well and everything that comes with it. But money market funds are almost similar, and so there's no huge difference. So you come to Etika, you click on the one that says Etika Money Market Fund. Make sure you're on the right website. Some of them are funny sometimes, so it has to be a secure website. It has to be saying eticamoneymarketfund.com. If you just Google Etika Money Market Fund, it comes straight, and you can see here in Kenya shillings, right? And you can see the facts, even the returns up here. You can see the returns is giving you up there. The USD account effective annual yield is like almost 8%. That's really good, guys. That's awesome. And then you have the Etika Fixed Income Fund. That's giving an effective of 16.53. Wale walikuwa nasema, where do you get all this 18%? Where do you get all these crazy returns? Here I'm getting the crazy returns. Etika, if you saw up there, it's giving almost 18%. So key facts of the money market fund: currency, lock-in period. There's no lock-in period. The management fee is 2% per annum. Initial fee is nil, so you don't have to pay anything. Benchmark, that's what they're using to measure their performance. Minimum investment is just 100. You can compound daily compounding. And then the trustee custodian, all those details you don't need to know. But you must know they are regulated by the CMA, must be regulated by the CMA. Now, the beautiful about this, for example, it gives you the objective there, and then you can just come here to open an account, right? And then you open an account, you give your details, and you open an account. Now, I won't do it because obviously, you just say I'm doing individual account, I agree with the policies, provide your phone number. Now, I won't go that far because I have one. So I have actually more than one Etika Money Market Fund account. You can read about the payment options. The fact sheet gives you details about the money market fund. If you want to know more, then the product brochure, that will give you more information as well. Now, the beauty is that you can actually chat to them. You can see from there, you can go straight to WhatsApp and chat with them. It's so straightforward, guys. There's no need going to pay or coming to pay for my time, because if you come to me, I'm going to charge you for this expensively. I'm expensive because I give value. But instead of coming for something so simple, unless you're coming for like more focused and specialized financial advice, this is very straightforward. You can open this. Now I don't know how long that video is, but let's go and look for, let's look for Zimele, for example. So Zimele changed the name for their money market fund to something else. I think it's now called Zimele Savings Plan, or let me say, I think it's fixed income. Let's see what products are. You can always come here to Zimele, look at the products that they have, and there are different products. I always say these ones are like shops, so don't come here thinking you're only going to find one. But their money market fund, I believe, is a savings plan for now. I believe so. Let's go. There's retirement, balance, pension. Yeah, they did change their name. I have an account with them. I use them. But because they don't give very good returns, they are not keeping up with the markets. I'm not putting so much in Zimele, but I still have some good money with them. So yeah, I think it's a savings plan. You can open that. Affordable, flexible, convenient. That gives you an opportunity to safely invest in the capital markets. And then you can always look at all these details. Affordable, competitive, convenient. Easy stuff, guys. Easy stuff. Individual account. Open an account. Straight here, you can open an account. application form. You click on the application form and then you will download it. I think you say you want to open a unit trust, then you accept the conditions, then you submit it. I won't do that because obviously I don't want to. They have a WhatsApp number there, as you can see, and they also have a tab here that you can chat to them straight away. They have a WhatsApp number as well. So guys, straightforward. These are things you don't need to pay someone for. You need to sometimes go out there and try to, figure out these things on your own. Now that's Zimele. Let me open, come on, not the app shots. Let's open, what do you call it? Let me think of something. Let me open Cyton. How do I Cyton? I don't want the app. I want money market fund. Again, same thing. Open here, money market fund, straight in here, and you can just find everything about what they do, the accounts that they have, and if you want to open an account. And I'm doing this on my phone, guys, so I never even do stuff on my phone, stuff like this on my phone. So our business, I have this app, Cyton app, so, or you can download the application form from here. So you click on that, you get the application form. Again, you can contact them from down there as well. Most people don't like using Cyton for, obvious reasons, but I like them. They're giving me really good returns. You can see the other things that they have, equity fund, balance, high yield. That high yield cost issues, so you might want to avoid that for now if you are going to Cyton. But yeah, basically I've just shown you how to open any money market fund. Just go Google the money market fund, find the information about it, go to their page. You can even talk to them if you want to, and it's very straightforward. If you're still stuck, then you can come to me. And again, if you're coming to me, I charge for my time. There's no way I'm going to give this information again on my inbox for free because I have too many. And I'm a financial advisor. So if you come to me, come with some very proper questions. Not how do I open this account? It's easy, it's simple, guys. And I hope this really helps you start investing as soon as possible. Money market funds are doing well still. We are at 18% for most of them. And the dollar accounts are at like 8%. That's awesome. So this is the best time to actually be investing in money market funds. Okay, this is the best time. Cool. I hope that's been helpful. I'm out.